Next topic is fractals. Now, what are fractals? We can say the object which are having smooth surfaces and regular shapes are generally described by using any equations. But the natural objects such as mountains, trees, oceans, waves, and clouds have irregular shapes. So it will be very difficult to draw these shapes by using normal equations. Now, there are many methods of modeling these natural objects, but one of the, we can say, easiest form of mathematical perspective is fractals. So we can describe the natural object by using fractals, where procedure rather than equation are used to model the object. Now, procedurally defined objects have characteristics, right, which are quite different from the object described with equations. So one of the basic properties that characterize fractal is self-similarity. Now, what is self-similarity? The self-similarity property of an object can itself take different forms depending on choice of fractal representation. So self-similarity means we can say zoom into a piece of fractal, we will keep seeing the same structure repeated over and over. So from a certain distance, we will, if we see a coastline as a simple quite smooth line, but as we go near to that line it will appear more rough. If we take closer view, we will see the whole line as jaggy and rough. There is no limit how many times we can zoom it. This, you can see this with this example given. So imagine that one object is made up of clay. If we break that object in terms of line or line segment, then we will give the dimensions. If the object is broken into a plane, then you see, if it's broken in line segment, we'll get the dimension as 1, and if broken into a plane, then we'll give the dimension as suppose 2. And if the object is broken in 3D object like cube, sphere, etc., then we will give the dimension as 3. So the variables here is called topological dimension. Did you get it? The variable is called as topological dimension. So these are fractals. In basically in lame language, we can say that fractals are nothing but the shapes or the lines or the corners which appear to be smooth, but when we zoom it, we understand that they are not that smooth. Now in fractals, so here I have given the example like the view of the coastline from certain distance. If we see it from a long away, from a quite a very high distance or very more distance, when the distance is more, you can say that the coastline is gives a very smooth curves.